How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just go to settings and then go to privacy, scroll down until you find background apps. Now turn off all the applications here just by turning off the first option, and after that go to here and type Minecraft launcher, and now right click on it and go to app settings, and once here scroll down until you find repair, click on it, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix it, just reset reset Minecraft. You will lose your data, but that will fix your problem. That's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.